Okay, I'm here with my mother. Hello, mother. And we are learning. I'm learning how to cook. She's not learning. She already knows. We just made some pot pies, as you can see in here. Some pot pies. And when we get done, see if you can tell which one is mine, which one is hers. Probably pretty obvious. But now we're gonna make these things called bumblebees with the leftover pie crust. I think. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. And we can edit this one. All right, I'll just set it right here. All right, so what are we doing here?
You want to roll the dough out with a rolling pin to about a uniform thickness, maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay, and we want to get a knife and we want to spread that with butter. I'll let you do that.
Just cover the whole thing with butter?
Cover the whole thing with butter.
See, like if you don't have the knife like angled down when you go across it, it doesn't cut into the dough.
There you go. All right, the next thing we're going to do is sprinkle lightly with cinnamon.
Cinnamon. I love cinnamon's like my favorite spice.
I do too. I love cinnamon.
I always
It
put
tastes so fall-like.
Yes, absolutely it does. And it's first day of fall.
There you go.
I think that I always like to put cinnamon in my morning coffee. Mother does not like coffee, but for the rest of us, we can do that. Is that?
Well, keep going. Over the whole thing.
Ooh, cinnamon the whole thing.
There you go. Oh, that's way too much. Then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon on, or some sugar on here.
Some sugar on the cinnamon.
Then we're going to roll it up. So roll it up, starting right.
Like a burrito?
Yep.
Making cinnamon burritos, everybody. All right.
Then you're going to slice them into like 1/2-inch segments. Using that same knife you were putting the butter on with.
Buttery knife. Okay, so.
And that piece you're just going to throw away because
Okay.
it just.
Should I be using like a chopping board? Cutting board? Is that what they call those?
I usually only use that for a sharp knife. If I'm doing something with this
So
table knife, I don't worry about it.
this butter knife doesn't really count as a real knife.
They look yummy already, don't they?
Oh, they look fantastic. Look at that. Oh, it doesn't get all squished when I put it up there.
Like a mini cinnamon roll.
And these are called bumblebees.
I don't know where that name came from. It's just what our family's always called them. So that little piece you can throw away.
Or can I eat it?
No, you don't want to eat raw dough.
Because raw dough will kill you.
And then let's spray a little. And you want to set those on the pie dish there. And we'll get those in the oven. So you want to put those in the oven at 350. And they only take about 7 or 8 minutes.
All right, 7 or 8 minutes, and then you can guess.
Then you'll have a little yummy treat with something you would have just thrown away.
And then you can try to guess which pot pie is mine and which one is my mother's. All right, once I get up here, and then like get like. Can I just put it here with the pot pie? tried to make a lemon lime drink with Sprite and lemonade, and I should have just gotten the lemon lime drink because this is not that good. Alright, maybe it's time to check these little mini cinnamon roll bumblebee things again. Now we're looking for them to be slightly brown. So, they're bubbling.
We need another 3 or 4 minutes.
We'll be back in 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, we're checking our bumblebees one more time.
Usually when you start smelling something, you can tell it's getting close to being done, and these are smelling really good.
That was great. Well, that was awful. See if I can phone. Are you phoning? Okay.
Turn your arm. Careful, don't burn your arm. There we go. Now you got it. You set that on the stove.
Ouch. Glove thing.
There we have it.
So we've got the one with the crust that looks like this one, and the one with the crust that looks like this. This is pot pie A and pot pie B. Let me know what you think, which one you think I made. I'll let you know if I'm right in the comments down below.